I hand out keys real quick.
That's a doctor. Let him in. Somebody go to the front gate. Let the doctor in. Somebody go to the front gate. Let the doctor in.
Ramos got it.
I'm going.
Warren is 63. Who's Warren?
Use
Oh,
Polish. Let Common Knight in as well. Yep, let them in.
These VK guys do not fuck with you guys.
Closed door.
This is the fucking Polacks.
Yeah,
it's the
also,
Polish.
also John.
Yeah.
Another Alda coming in. Open door. Open door. Or not. He doesn't want to.
Hold on, I'm
Yeah.
getting healed. I'm getting healed.
I told all the guys to join, but 90% of them were crafters and serfs, so they have to get money to retrain real quick.
All right, let that Alda guy in.
Archer at the front door. I mean, front.
Yeah, I
they're
see
moving in.
That's our target. Is that Archer?
I'm getting back up in the tower.
I'm gonna move up into this tower here, see if I got a better angle.
I have Vandal watching right, and I can watch left ladder.
We got two guys going far left. I wonder
They
if they're
deployed siege. They deployed siege.
All right,
That's why they were collecting olives earlier.
we're gonna have some fun finally. I got my wish.
We need to
I'm
do
gonna go
another
run back and get more arrows.
Where did they deploy
Yeah.
the siege?
Wrong
right in
way.
front at the farm.
That's the farm tower. Get a couple more stacks.
You guys
Gonna
know
need them.
Yes, they deployed siege.
who is it?
Polish.
Jam and Polish.
Polish people.
I have no shot on that siege equipment right now.
It's all right. We'll have to defend either way. But yeah, all of our onagers are very taken off to be saved.
How many are there?
16 with siege. They're hitting gate now.
I mean, our numbers did multiply, so that's good.
Oh! I just killed a guy's horse.
Nice.
Come back to the wall.
Are any cav like out there skirming right now?
I headshot
No.
the siege guy.
Hey, I'm gonna idiot to the. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill position.
Their siege guy's really low.
We're gonna sally out. Let me know. I'll go with you guys.
So they just sallied out.
Their siege guy's running. Their siege guy's running to their doctor. Or they don't even have a doctor.
Whoever.
Where do they deploy
They're all
that?
low.
Where do they deploy that onager?
Right in front of the farm.
Is it a ploy spot then? So we could steal that shit.
What are the chances I open the door and get killed by an onager?
Did you?
That's some Looney
I'm pushing
Tune
into.
shit.
Okay, all of
I'm
the-
gonna apply pressure. I'm gonna apply pressure.
Yo, we all need to push out there with them. Get
Alright,
that
let's
on
just move out
their,
with them.
their siege guy's low as fuck. Already hit him 6 times.
Keep 1 or 2 archers watching the right ladder, and the rest of us can go out with you.
Aim for the. Watch for
Holy
the.
shit.
They pieced re-it. They pieced re-it.
Who stole my
Re.
horse?
I'm Morgan. Diplomacy.
Do y'all want to keep the onager or just destroy it?
Or just move it inside. We can just inside.
Yeah. Or we
Yeah.
can capture it later. So
Someone
we
take my
can
royal, bro.
undeploy it. We can pick it up. They're back at bank. They pulled back to bank.
Someone stole my fucking royal.
It don't matter.
I'll buy another one.
Oh, easy there.
Ooh,
You
let's
Push hard.
the
They only have
free
15.
catapult.
Man, this banner kind of looks similar to theirs. It's really fucking annoying.
Let's just change it to my banner.
Killed one full plate at the bank.
Got one dead.
It's mine.
Can we get some
Fine.
nakeds out here? Like, if you're leaving the castle now, could you come naked?
You guys need to come grab this plate at the bank.
I
Whoever
killed one
needs
plate
gear.
guy over here.
They're all low. They don't have a doctor.
I'm gonna
Push
take
them,
this
boys,
real
push
Kill,
them.
quick.
good kill, beautiful kill. We have 2 dead plates.
Don't you fucking loot goblin stake that I'm naked.
Yeah, Rommel, come here. Come to the guy jumping right here. Maybe
him
there's
again.
Yeah.
full tin, like plate tin.
He's
They have
dead.
one ghetto cav, that's it.
Whoever just passed the bank, you, Matthew, right or behind you.
What a slaughter.
Just got on. It's crazy.
Hey, we should back.
Fuck. This is actual.
Give out keys.
Anything? I think you should peace, John, because there's nothing else to fight.
Yeah, I'm a PC, yeah.
No peace. Not until they're all dead.
They're all.
We need keys.
Nice.
Yeah, that was it.
It's
We
for
kinda
a
just-
time. Guy across the map now.
Sorry.
Just piece it.
Yes.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Where's that archer gear?
You're at Merc camping, not at the fucking village. Oh, they're all crashing. This is so okay.
Are we?
Can you tell them not to land yet? Can they?
Are we taking
Yeah,
the
I'll
go
tell them.
pad?
Can they
Or is
dock
he long
offshore
way
for a
down?
little bit?
Are y'all gonna declare?
Probably
Hold
here.
on, man! Don't do your naval landing. We gotta break the gates first.
All right, go ahead, more. I just put it in the chat.
We're already there.
All right, go through pass.
Definitely
Pass.
not.
Inf,
Don't
go
go yet.
through pass.
Oh
Oh,
my
many you guys are
god.
crashing. Oh my
Why,
god.
so why would
Alright.
you not you in the boat? Like, what the fuck?
We can't. I've tried, man. They were freaking out.
Hancock looks so good.
Start breaking these doors down.
If they have an onager, it's gonna be tough. Tony, we have to spawn inside the village and then SK out.
Hancock, there's a shallow pass up there now.
Why? We can't spawn back there as a post.
Where is it?
Yeah, right here, by the fish.
Really? Oh, oh yeah, added the space. First, the new version. I'm gonna focus the regular grape shot on the door.
What is that for?
Charge!
Break all doors.
Oh, they got a lot of archers.
Yeah. Yo,
What,
there's
you
an
have
enemy
a
right
work
there.
cut up for us?
Yo, that's a bad guy, Tony. What the hell?
No, it's not.
It's not. It's the same banner. Oh no, this is okay. Never mind.
Okay, now we wait.
Tony, I'm gonna focus on the door.
So many archers. Oh my god.
You can focus on killing people.
They're aiming at the armor between our armpits and our necks.
Whoever that is, get away from the door.
Is
Whoever
that
that
where
is,
it's
get away from the door. Whoever that is, get away from the
Get
door.
away from the door. Get away from the door. Shoot it.
When do
Shoot
you
it.
want them to
Do it,
land?
Kathy. Do it. Do it.
We need to wait for the doors to break, so they need to chill out now.
I want to see who it is. They're fighting. They're getting dicked on too.
Why can't I fucking load this? Hello?
Shoot it. It comes with the default thing to load.
It's salty.
You almost smoked him too.
It's dead on.
I'm just gonna stand cover.
I peek out and get shot like
To the
6
right.
times. What the
To the
fuck?
right. A little bit to the right. A little bit to the right.
I want to make these assholes spread. Hold on.
Ooh, Jesus.
Oh,
Holy shit.
He's one of those grape shots on all their
A little bit
archers.
to the right. Whoever shot that last one, by the way.
Too low.
Should tell Templar to go for the ladder. A little bit to the left, just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit.
That shit, my Andre.
SQ Tony. Get out of there.
Alright, a little bit to the left, little tiny bit to the left.
There's another spot, Tony, that's extremely cancer, but we might have to use that.
Here, hold on. I gotta go AFK real fast.
Where's the nearest doctor?
Move it.
I'm at the 10.
Copy.
I got Valar on keys. I got it. From that angle, you should still be able to hit door. There's way left.
What the? They have a guy outside, watch out.
Oh shit! Watch out! Come to the village. Yeah,
One guy coming in.
Good shot.
One guy coming in.
Oh shit.
On horseback.
You're a little short on that one.
Got him.
They're selling.
Here they come. Here they come.
They sound
Alright, just meet them.
They're coming.
Oh, what the fuck?
They're
It's a
pushing.
big Sally.
Let them in the village. Let them
Hold,
in the
hold the
village.
village. Don't fucking leave.
No, let them in. Let them in.
Get off your horse. Get off your horse.
Oh shit.
Spears out.
The barracks are similar to
Dirty,
Templar.
backing up, dirty, backing up. Push him, push him, push him, push him. They're backing up, push him, push him.
Don't get sucked
Cut
into
him
the
off,
door.
cut him off, cut him off. Cut him off at the bridge, come off the bridge. You got some people coming behind you. Enemies coming behind you. Good. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back.
Enemy cab behind. Enemy cab
Behind,
behind.
behind.
Move, goddammit.
Nice. Good kill.
Nice shot.
This one did.
Those fucking archers are devastating.
I know, it's like having England all over again.
It's sick though.
It
Hey,
is.
hit this commoner.
It's because it is England in there. Holding up.
They're
They're all the old English guys.
Commoner read it in.
He stole a horse.
I gotta ask, is the village kind of like walls or
Secret.
it's alright?
It's actually helping us. It's
Yeah,
giving
they're
us
pretty cool.
defense.
They're cool, but I feel like
Although I got words.
commoners can't get food here anymore. Sucks.
Fucking idiot.
They're doing the open. They're gonna do the open close thing. It's gonna be cancer.
Dulac's backstabbing.
Better.
I'd get away from the gate.
That one's still hitting a little short
Yeah,
and
that's
to the
nice.
left.
Okay.
And it's Outlaws KOS. God damn.
Yeah, back.
I got you, Reagan.
I killed 3 people, Tony.
Nice.
What are these guys doing?
Yeah, you're pretty spot on.
They're doing the
They just
open
keep
close
opening
thing.
up.
Enemies.
They're just doing the open.
It's just
close.
open.
Duloc declared.
That's okay. It's only 11 of them.
Yeah, cover catapults so Cav.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I'm gonna keep like attacking at this gate and kind of just.
I'm doing the same thing. I got nothing to lose.
Do I have any volunteers to go craftsman?
Oh.
No volunteers for craftsman.
I'm gonna make him close it.
Can we ask our Alda friends if they have a craftsman?
Alright, back up.
I think they sunk.
Nowhere.
They sunk?
Twinkle, how's the fleet?
I landed
I'm
with
just gonna
3
wheel
others.
this gate.
The rest
Jeez.
kept crashing.
I made the right side close. The but ooh. I don't need a lot of infantry here. I hope you guys know that.
Get off the bridge, you guys don't skirmish there.
We have to skirmish there, or they're gonna keep the gate open.
Yeah. Open closing.
Can't go left.
That's why I'm not asking for 20 people to be there.
Rope skipping.
Shut up, Rommel. You really need to just shush.
I think my got team killed, boy.
Bad Rommel.
Shit, looks like Alda landed but got wiped.
They mostly crashed.
Did they?
Oh, right.
Alright, that fire pot hit the
Yeah,
wall.
so
Okay. I'm just
Rust
helping
in.
spot for you.
so sensitive at this stage.
Yeah.
I killed a plate up here. I have no health. to do
Archers,
shit.
if you need more ammo, pick up off the ground. There's a lot of arrows.
Let me get a heal and I'll loot it, K-Man. Give me a second.
Are we at Iron Abbey?
We got our doctors right outside the.
No, we're at,
stone
Monty.
gate.
Temple.
KT Dreams took some of it. Just to let you know. Came in.
Oh, I said 2,000 damage to the door. Wait, what?
Getting couch. Catapult, couch.
Oh, that was almost good.
Get this fuck.
They're pushing out a lot at the gate.
I would do
Alright,
a
let
mass
him- let
fall.
him
I would fall back and let him push.
Archers, good shots. You're keeping those
We
archers
got 2
pinned down.
throwing melee attack down here.
So you can
Let
deal
the
damage to
damage
these
take
gates even if they're open, Jeff, yeah?
It's RNG.
Oh,
You guys
shit.
see.
Yeah, spawn at Wilderness. That was a good call.
I did 2,000 damage.
I couldn't get much, K-Man. I got like the weapon and shield and shit on me.
I'm trying to get these doors, Tony, but they keep open, closing, cheesing them.
It's
Where is
Someone's horse. Someone's horse.
I'm doing like 700 damage to the left one.
How much HP do they have? Oh!
Holy fuck.
Damn.
Oh my
bro.
God.
They just like fucked me up.
Whatever.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. I had no idea.
Well,
Just cover our
my
cap,
loot's
let's
here.
cover
If
cap.
anyone can give it to K-Man, whatever.
I got a good chunk of it, Matt.
These fire parts are so good.
Well, wherever chips die is where my loot
Right in the
and
base, yeah. I have so much shit on me.
Oh my god!
That's like right in there
Nice.
too.
Nice.
They have to
Oh.
close it, and they can finally break the
They're
thing.
using their own as well.
They can't hit
They
us
moved
there.
all of their infantry out so they can shoot.
My angle is literally perfect.
Kill that outlaw. Kill that fucking outlaw.
Where is he?
If anyone has extra loot, please give it to the nakeds coming in. Just stop them.
If you see an outlaw in this war zone, I'll just kill him. It's a,
If you
you
see
have every
anybody
reason.
that's- If you see anybody that's not us, KT
Matt.
or VK.
This chest right here.
Yep, they're an instant
Oh.
kill.
Okay, man, right here.
I'm hitting the numbers a lot.
Do one of you want to move closer and fire directly in there and hit all their fucking troops?
Yeah, I'll go.
Yes, Richard. I would love that.
Rip.
Ooh,
They're shotgunning us right now is what they're doing.
I'm grabbing the loot. I got one piece of loot.
Do you have
Archers, just
the-
keep shooting the nakeds on that bridge.
No,
Just
I
watch out
don't.
for
Do you
team
have the
shots.
regular?
I didn't grab it. I did not grab it, John.
I set a plate for someone who needs it. Call your name out in faction chat.
I need armor.
Type your name in faction chat.
Let me see.
Nucky has loot for nakeds as well.
There's a spear right in the middle of the walkway.
Archers, if
I
you need
need-
ammo, pick it up.
Fuck, okay.
Oh, yeah, there's
Can
a shit
someone
ton of it.
industrial? Vic,
What's up?
can you go back to the castle? Can you get 2 stacks of fire pots and 3 stacks of regular grip shot?
Yep.
If not, I'll do it. I'm already on the bridge.
Go. Let's go there.
You like blocking the bridge.
Can you repeat the numbers one more time?
2 stacks of fire pots, like fire pots, not the fire grip shot. 2 stacks fire pots and 3 stacks regular grip shot.
Oh shit.
Emperor behind you.
There's,
Emperor behind you.
The bridge is blocked. The bridge is blocked. Be careful.
Go around the pikeway.
just
Go around this.
spawned wilderness.
Go around the other way.
I want to bring a mangonel. Can we deploy in the village chest?
We don't have a mangonel.
Hang on, Ducky, you missed everybody.
I'm
Can we fly
gonna.
inside that village
Any
right there?
extra gear you should put in one of the chests in the back.
Yes, we can. I think.
Bring them.
Unless Clark doesn't.
Matt. Oh, they're pushing. They're pushing.
They're just pushing to the
Bridge,
gear, I
bridge,
think.
bridge, 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 bridge. Don't go up it. Don't go up it.
Archers, get some headshots.
Yep. Stay low. Let them come down.
Cameron, you need something?
Let
Oh,
them
Dwayne,
come
here,
down.
here. Go, look in here. Here's something.
If you guys go up there, you're gonna get shot in the back.
Yeah, they're
Stay
pulling you
down.
up to get shotgun. Don't go up there.
Only if you're naked.
I get chest keys. I'm at the keep.
Worth the going.
Yep.
Yeah.
Type in chat if you need any kind of keys.
Are we outside Iron area or no?
No.
Okay, because that's where I'm spawning.
Okay.
Well, that's where I'm spawning, so if I die, I'm dead.
I'll grab it. Grab that somewhere.
Well. Okay.
No, look something. You can carry it. You can carry it. I'll just put it up here.
Yeah, go ahead and make another one, Richard. Just it's good to have it.
Chip's right behind you. I have a weapon and stuff for you. Come here.
If we can have the catapults keep hitting where the archers are on top, they lose their cover.
It looks like a decent amount of their archers have pulled off the right side walls.
We're laying down good fire on them, but when they lose those crenellations, they can't cover. Or cower behind them, rather.
I'm
Alright,
gonna shoot
I'm
from the
gonna
merc
stop.
camp because they have Andre trying to range me.
I only have 15 fire pot.
It's fine.
You want fire?
Alright,
There's another group on the bridge.
I have some
Fire
chest
pot.
armor if anyone needs it. I'm going back to the back of the village. Back of the
They're
village.
pushing.
They're gathering that bridge.
That's good. Let them come down. Get to the bridge. Bottom of the bridge. Bottom of the bridge. Bottom of the bridge. Shoot.
All the
Archer,
Shesky.
shoot right in. Never mind. Pull back. They started pulling back.
Matt, I'm with you.
Come back here. I'm about to kill the
Keep shooting those guys.
commoners here.
Keep shooting those guys.
In here. Any nakeds, go to the back, go to the resource market chest. There's stuff there. I am just putting random shit in there for you.
Can you get already hit bridge?
We don't have any like non-clannies in our faction, do we?
They have a couple, I think.
Are they
I'll
coming?
check.
There's plate in there for you, Matthew.
I don't know who analyst is.
He's a
Thank you.
doctor.
Check for commoners looting.
Does anybody have a better chest plate?
Other than him, I think
You
we're
check
good.
the resource market chest, please. I've already repeated it. If you're gonna pick up any loot and give it to nakeds, put in the resource market chest.
I'm doing
Oh my
damage to
God.
something.
Command read chat. Back
Frank,
in
are you
chat
coming?
website.
Frank, read it.
I have a set of plate for anybody.
God damn, where are these shots
There's
coming
a cav at Merc Camp.
They're falling back. They're falling back. They're trying to bait us in.
I have a set of plate for anybody.
from? Hey, Cav, that ruined tower at the mine by Monty, there's an archer in it. Can you go take him out?
Alright, are you gonna open this chest? I'm not dropping it unless someone's here for it.
I'm here, Matt.
Alright, here. Put your armor, your leftover armor in there.
They changed banner again.
Okay.
Hey, Duloc's actually doing something. They're at the Iron Heavy Bridge.
They're blocking it off with the archers with
They're
archers.
coming across right now. They're at Merc
I'm
Camp.
probably dead.
Protect
Yeah,
our
I'm at
honors here. Yeah, I need help.
I
Because I have
died.
to honor Merc Camp. You can't come back here.
Richard, we're not going that way. Come on.
Enemy archer in the tower adjacent.
Yeah, I'm going to take him out right now.
Archers over there.
I'm after him right now too.
Trying to get a
Get
shot
shot by
on
that
that box.
asshole.
How the fuck did he get in?
Doc, you might wanna relocate.
Cav, make sure you're protecting our field, please. Go to the merc camp.
Yeah,
After
Cav,
this.
Cav should be handling
Ruined
Duloc.
Tower going back to Merc Camp right now.
I don't know how he got in there.
There's gotta be a way in there.
Oh wait, this fucking naked is a.
Good shots. Good shots.
Maybe. Oh, jump right there.
I know you guys want to fight, but I would really prefer if you weren't on this ramp right now. I'd rather them pull down.
He's dismounted.
I swear to God, he glitched in there or something.
Hey, I'm just saying, SF, do not take the stuff in there if you don't, like, need loot. It's literally for nakeds, and when they keep coming back. Do not hold loot on you.
How the fuck did he get in here?
I found the way up there.
Nakeds,
I
please.
think.
No one should be holding loot on them.
Nice, Clarky.
Is there a doctor near the Merc Camp?
Oh, you're gonna get shot, guys. Oh, sh! They pulled back really hard.
Enemy cat.
Someone tell me. I'm at the Merc Camp.
Oh, I think I know how he got it. I'll take care.
I just looted a really good helmet. There's a
Let them
mace.
come, let them come.
There's a couple maces in the chest in the back. Again, for anyone who needs the
Reject.
loot.
I'm in the middle of them riding towards the merc camp.
Okay.
Grim, you should go to that chest. It's pretty good for loot for you. Resource
Just gets
market
less.
chest.
Alright, yes, sir.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay, he had fire pot and he died. But I have
What's
regular
the
grade and fire grade.
Okay.
Which one do you want? Both?
Both.
Ooh, I gotta watch my head though. Yeah. the
Yeah.
Archers.
Thank you.
Alright,
Tell me
Sloppy,
where this. Tell me where
back
this.
ahead.
I actually need a doctor at Merc Camp. If we need a doctor here.
This is
Someone
doctor
at-
right to your, there's a king doctor down the road a little bit. Chow.
Keep shooting them in the feet if they're doing anything.
They have a crossbow on the
The
right
rock pass.
yeah, right rock pass. I hit him a few times, but he ain't dead yet. Almost there. And I'm black card.
God damn it, these fucking Archers light my ass up.
Yeah, they're good.
There's just a lot of them.
For those that are fighting up here at Monty, inside the tent are 2 more doctors if there's a line. So you don't have to just abuse jukebox.
Someone tell me where this regular grape shot hits. I'm trying to hit the door. Somebody's looking.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
Looks like it's a little high.
No, it's not me. It's not me.
Oh,
Go ahead.
This one's me. This one's me.
copy watching. You were
Way
left
left.
and on the bastion.
Bastion, yeah.
We're right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should just send Katie and Alda do the ladder.
We do have a craftsman on the way.
If we can get KT and Alda group up together and do that ladder while they close the gate, because they can't hold that gate.
Fake an Esky, come down. Fake an Esky, fake an Esky.
Richard is here. I presume he's the
Bring him down,
engineer.
bring him down, bring him down. Fake an Esky. God damn, fucking KT. Breezy, get down. Dylan, get down. Dylan, get down. Fake it, fake it, fake it. Fake it. Come on, KT, get the fuck down here.
Nice shot.
Alright, go ahead. Skirmit.
They have 54 fucking two people. All right.
You want me to tell KT to Esky?
Nah.
Wait, where's this one? Where's this one hitting? Where's this one hitting?
Go.
Oh my god, so AIDS. Okay, I have no idea.
Oh my fucking god.
We're at their door now. What do we do? Push or no?
No, they will.
Oh, they got the honor. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
I would not do
Ghetto
that.
Cav in the back.
I really wish none of us were at the door.
Oh, don't kill him, no.
Kill those
Hey, those
commoners.
commoners
Kill
are
those
trying to
commoners.
Ooh, bad shot. That was way short.
Well,
Way
That
short.
wasn't me. That wasn't me. This one. This one's me.
Anyone, right? Yeah, there you go.
Oh my god, dude, I hate
Take
this
that
angle.
plate to the market chest for the nakeds.
Yeah, resource market. Chest.
You fall back there trying to bait you in, man.
I have a good helmet for anyone who needs it and good chest armor.
I need a helmet.
This one's too
I
right,
have
right?
full set of plate for naked.
There's a Randy.
I'm running in. Where are you learning?
There's a Lux Brig in there and a
He's coming in. He's gonna
visor
try and break
combo.
into the siege.
Hey, check over the guy, shit.
Guys, horse
Yom
coming.
Yom's coming behind.
No,
Cap on, cap on.
I'll hold something for you, Tribs.
that's just depressing.
I got
Yeah, that was depressing. I saw.
the rest of Chip's shit.
Two nakeds coming.
Someone got the breastplate. I don't know who got the breastplate.
I got it.
Sick.
I got his boots, I got his shoulders, I got his breastplate and
Someone
shield.
range this. Someone range this. Someone look up. Someone look up.
Guys, I have a really good
I'm
spot.
looking.
I'm trying to. I want to get shot.
Too much to the left.
Shit.
Right
That was
now.
mine. That was mine. That was mine.
Go right.
Yeah.
You said go right.
Yeah.
That's
All
right.
Do you have anyone with honor
Alright.
during?
Yes, right, Jeff.
Pushing out, pushing out.
okay.
Bait him down. Bait him down. That's all we want.
Yeah, the more gear they lose, the better we are.
Where's this? Where's this?
Let's all one fall off the bridge.
There is a shallow cross there now.
This
So.
one.
Anyone got a spare light Imperial mace?
I have it for Chibs.
Yeah, come back. Come back to
I
the
have
window.
one.
Right, whoever just shot that. A little right, a little right. Watch out, they're gonna shotgun.
Where's this?
Go. That was way over, but it was pretty
Yeah.
straight on.
If you're naked, get loot from the
Should I
resource.
go, should I
we're
go down
getting-
then? Do I go
Hey,
down?
we
then?
got range. Yeah, we're getting range. We're getting ranged by the left
We We
bastion.
have onager ammo.
Chip's back yet?
Riding back now.
You spawn at
Oh, I
wilderness.
killed someone. I'm hitting the door, I think.
Yeah, if you die, spawn at wilderness. Close to spawn.
I'm hitting the door.
Shoot again.
Okay.
Incoming, incoming, fire pot!
Oh shit!
They're shooting right in the middle right here, so be careful.
I'm back, baby.
Do not be running in the middle. Do not be running in the middle.
Damn it,
If you're
no.
running anywhere, if you want to cross from left to right, it needs to be far back behind or right at the bridge. If you run in that middle, you're gonna get fucking shotgunned by a Monaco, or whatever the fuck it's called, from the bastion.
Check the bag.
Oh, I'm gonna focus.
That's just a little
Low.
high, but it might be. That was a little high, but it might be RNG high.
Okay. What about this one? Just regular.
Oh, fire pot.
Hey, shit.
Where's this one?
Is there onager ammo at the castle?
High.
High? Okay.
Pushing.
I'd say by like a body's length or so. Good
Nice
shit.
fucking
Oh,
shot,
nice.
bro.
Nice shot.
Good shit.
That was a lot of their archers. Good shot.
How about this one?
Go ahead.
It's my the fucking art.
Watch out! Incoming! Incoming!
Esky,
Watch out!
Esky,
You guys up
Esky.
there! Watch out!
Esky on the bridge. Esky on the bridge.
Yeah,
Oh.
dead on. Just RNG. RNG.
That the doors open or closed?
Open.
Fuck's sake. Okay.
These nakeds are dropping some fat money bags.
That was high. Whoever just shot that.
Yeah.
Let us know when you're firing if you can, so we can escort
Firing,
you
get
guys.
off the bridge. I'm firing, get off the bridge.
Watch out! Watch
Firing,
out! Watch out!
Esky, Esky, Esky.
Okay, T. Watch out.
I'm firing right now, T. Get off the bridge.
Oh, it's
Esky, Esky, Esky.
Come on.
Oh,
That's why you're
that was really short.
Ceremonial Jake
Yeah, that was
shot.
short. You might need to range it a little bit farther, Jake.
Alright, I'm gonna
Fired.
do
Oh,
something.
sloppy.
That was
I got knocked off.
Yeah, I saw that.
I'll try to get your shit.
Kill the VK. Kill the VK. Right in. Kill that VK. Turn around. Turn around.
You don't have to go for it. I can go.
150 on him. Fuck. No one else hit him?
Oh, is there a ladder point on the left there?
Yeah.
chest keys.
If we get Alda and fucking
Oh, God damn
JP to go do that.
Type it in chat. Type it in chat.
What?
I'll be back. I'll get more ammo. Do you need more ammo, Tony or Joe?
I do, yeah. Whichever one helps. I'm gonna go closer.
Yo, give Ajax chest
Oh,
keys.
Richard. You got shit? You got shit?
We should get a serf
Yeah?
to come harvest these grapes for us.
Hide that banner. Hide
Hey,
that banner.
Gavin, come in here. Take this
Hide it.
banner and hide it in your inventory.
Oh, give it to me.
I have another banner if anyone wants one.
Shit.
I'll give it to another person I trust.
Sit back.
Oh, I'm at the.
They're gonna range me perfectly in a second. It's gonna be cancer. Get off the bridge, like,
Oh,
completely.
we just let Les
Get
right
off the
in.
bridge.
Chips. Oh, it's took. I can't hold this
Oh,
anymore.
okay.
Take it.
They're shooting from that ruin.
Yeah, they boated over there. The
Mine.
only way to get over there is through a boat. That is
Richard,
the
meet me in
only
the back. Meet me in the back by the windmill.
Good shot.
You got a Matrix now?
Yeah, I
I
got
need
him.
to
Thank you.
find another
Go.
person who can hold a banner.
Hold me.
Where are you at? I'm at the.
Put it in your inventory if you can.
Decky's single-handedly destroying the morale.
They have an
Shoot
onager
up
on
here.
top of the gatehouse, I think.
Yeah, I know, they're gonna get me, but
Yep.
I have horrible angles.
Shield up.
Okay,
Richard.
I have 20. Coming back with 100.
Night Chow.
Good shots.
Oh, they're ranging me so good.
Hey, we're building ladder. Go. Nobody's gonna notice you.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, no one's over there. The archers don't even know you're there.
Yeah, they're all fighting us.
Oh, Archer, maybe.
No,
they
he's
don't-
still. I got
no,
distracted.
he's oblivious.
I keep hitting him, so. Ow, he got me.
You should go there now.
All right.
Well,
Listen to me.
Luke,
Listen to me.
I'll
Listen to me. If you jump off the bridge to the right, there's a shallow pass like it was on original PW. Go underneath
They
the bridge
don't
and go
know.
left.
They don't know. They don't know.
Go
They
left.
don't know. Hurry,
Jump
hurry,
off
hurry.
right, go the shallow pass and go left and get up the ladder. Me and the KT are going up right now.
The archer still doesn't know. You need to do it like immediately.
Shallow pass underneath the bridge and go left and get up the ladder now. Me and another guy are getting up right here and we'll help secure. Go, 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 go.
Keep him distracted at the front
Archie's keep him pinned down.
gate if you're here still.
I'm up. Let's go.
Go, boys, go, 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 go.
Push, push, push.
They're gonna be distracted here. We need to do a front gate push.
Front gate needs
We're
to
here, we're here, we're
contest
here.
hard. Front gate needs to contest hard.
Where's the doctor at? Fuck.
Let's go, Hancock. Let's go dominate.
We're up on the left. We're up on the left. More need to go. More need to go.
Back up, back up. Oh no.
Jumped off.
They-
More need
they-
to
they-
go. God, why is none of our...
We're fighting at the ladder point.
Yeah, we're on the we're up on the ladder.
We're losing.
Hold W. Hold W.
There's 2 VK guys.
John, come back
They're
here and just
holding
shoot at
the
the guys on the
gate.
wall. Shoot at the guys at the ladder. Shoot at the guys at the ladder.
Copy.
It lag, dude.
I think we lost the ladder.
No, we got some of them. We're good. You guys still have people coming from behind. You just gotta push through.
You guys can destroy the
You
gate.
know where I'm shooting, idiot.
Can you shoot more, like, further than that? Or
You're
no?
getting shot to
No,
shit.
go hit the wall.
No, you're shooting literally us.
Yeah, that one
After,
just killed.
oh,
Like,
God, yeah,
Hold
pull
fire,
back,
Chow.
have to pull back,
Sallying
have to pull
out.
back.
I still have mine as well if you
They're
need it.
sallying
Alright.
out.
That's alright. They keep doing
Alright,
it.
shoot now, Chow. Shoot now.
I can't. Me and
It's
Shep
making the war
perishes.
fun.
Had to pull back.
If you shoot now, you can kill like 5 people.
I'll try. Trying to angle it.
There's a Legion dock if
Yeah,
they
yeah,
make
go past
a,
the ramp,
if
don't
they
go
even
past the
try and
ramp.
cross that
Riken,
bridge,
Riken, get on this left one. Riken, get on this last one. When I say left click. Get on the.
Richard.
Get off the bridge!
Yeah, I'll tell you when.
Magic, come down. Softly,
Oh,
come
too
down.
late.
Come down.
Okay, on. Left click.
Softly.
Chop Ajax.
I think they're out of stone. They keep
Nice hit,
throwing.
nice hit.
Keep throwing fucking food at us.
They're throwing food at us.
Get off
What
quick.
the fuck is?
Same thing.
You need to
I'll
pick
tell you
this
when.
fucking side of Monty, bro.
They're pulling
Hey,
back.
lower.
That's not me.
As
Yeah,
we
I saw. I
decide.
know.
Who's
They
that?
shouldn't be allowed to keep their gates open.
No.
I need help.
Don't. They're baiting you in for a shotgun. Don't get up there. Do not get up there.
Come in. Get on it. This one's
Look, they just
regular.
team killed.
Wow.
Why would we shoot that, dude?
Yeah, go.
Shoot it, Chow.
Yeah. Hold on, no, of the fucking shit RNG. Go off it in a second. Don't forget sound. Alright, move.
It's off castle, but everybody knows
Softly,
this.
come down.
Right, do it.
Fuck, even lower.
Lower,
Jake.
lower than that, Jake.
I didn't hit the fucking gate though.
Yeah, hold on.
There's a full plate tin can on the ladder if anyone wants to go kill him and take his plate. You know, for nakeds that don't
Yeah.
have gear. You're good, Richard.
Did you get any damage
Right.
off that one?
I did a little bit.
Good.
But I don't think it's gonna do enough.
Because it's bugged. You need to pack it and unpack it again. Because you're like wheelied right now.
Hit it.
If you can get a hit on that bastion where the ladder is,
Oh
you'll
my
kill
God,
so
dude.
many.
There's loot there.
There's so many of them on that bastion where the ladder was.
Oh, server crashed.
Who's
I'm done.
Server crash?
Bro.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
Come
Yeah.
on, man.
The server
Fix
keeps
the
crashing
server.
or something.
Oh.
Oh, work it out.
I'm good. That's it for me.
Yep, I'm out.
Time to go to the other.
This is probably the best wars we've had in forever.